Hi everybody and welcome to another video. In this video I'm gonna show you guys on my VirtualBox an issue that happens quite often, which has to do with the theming. Sometimes, let's say you have your desk environment is GTK, can be XFC, it could be GNOME and so on. But you have applications which are written in Qt, and Qt is a different type of themes. So you try to make your Qt applications that you have on your system to look like GTK. And sometimes there are applications or, or even residues of some applications that you remove that will cause issues. For instance, if you open the Qt5 configuration tool, or there is another name which is the Qt5 settings, you will find that on the very top there is this message: the application is not configured correctly. And if you click on information, it will state, warning, please remove the Qt style overriding environment. So the Qt style override is the line that I need to look for it. And the issue is Kvantum or Kvantum, whatever you want to call it. It's up to you. The issue is this, but if I go and open the software app, and if I search for Kvantum or Kvantum, you will see that if I go to installed, I don't have nothing whatsoever in regards to Kvantum on my system. But when I install for the first time the operation system, it install itself. Then I remove it, and I remove all the scripts, all the package and so on, but there's still residues left or changes that were made automatically, and they're still there. And for that reason, that's why it shows this. Sometimes it can be any other application besides Kvantum. So if you have the same issue, the same way I'm gonna do it, you can do also with any other application that is affecting your themes, the way it displays and so on, because sometimes it can cause issues. Sometimes it can even blink like constantly, because this error can cause that, and some other issues, sometimes sluggish and so on. So how to go about to solve this in an easy way for beginners, even intermediate, because I even know some people who are intermediate, they didn't know how to do this. It's quite simple and very easy. You can use Vim, you can use the terminal and so on, but I'm not going that way because I want to show you guys the simple and easiest way to do it. You need to have root access first of all, because you're gonna go to the system directory, and to do that you need to get a permission, root permission. So I have mine here. If you are using Debian, you should have also a way to get root permission, or any other Linux. It's just a question of search for it. On a directory, I'm gonna go to etc. That's where I'm supposed to find the environment. So if I type environment, that's the script. So as you can see here, so if I open, let me just increase the size of the fonts. This is the issue, the second line. So Qt style override, which is the same as here, and then environment, which is the script, and then Kvantum, which is the cause of the issue. So I just need to remove this. I just go backspace. Maybe I should do, no, it shouldn't be a problem, but let's just do this way. So I'm gonna do backspace, that's the symbol, and backspace again. And next, I'm gonna save. Yeah, by doing that, I save, but it doesn't mean that it's gone. The script or the line that was making the issue is gone, but I still need to reset the system. And to do that, I need to reboot or restart, log out, or normally I would say log out and log in should work, but sometimes it may not work. I'm gonna try log out and then log in again. Let me close this. Where is it? Quit. And now I'm gonna log out. Now I'm gonna look back again to to find the application, and as you can see now, I don't have no message or any type of information in regards to the issue. And that is the easiest way that I can find to explain to anybody how to solve this issue, because it does happen very often. Kvantum is just one of the many applications that can cause this type of issue, and I hope this will help anybody that is not aware. And it's not easy to find solutions online or even on YouTube, so I decided to make this video just to help anybody that needs to. Yeah, so that's it. That's the video that I wanted to do. I'll see you guys next time. Until then, goodbye.